Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can reset your Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, before you reset your mobile phone, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So just tap on this setting option. When you move on setting, here you can search for reset on this search setting, or you can scroll down and here you can see option of this system. Okay, just click on system. After you move on system, here you can see the reset phone. If you want to reset your phone, from here you can see reset phone option. Just click on reset phone. After you click on reset phone, here you can see erase all data option. Just click on erase all data. And friends, before you reset your mobile phone, please do not forget to back up your photos, videos, or it may be any important data. Please try to back up your everything. Okay, after backup only you can reset your mobile phone. Just click on erase all data and confirm the password. It will be erased successfully. Okay, but I will not erase. I'm just showing you the trick how to erase, the method how to erase your mobile phone. Okay, this is the steps that you can erase your mobile phone. So friends, and if you are confused till now how you can erase, then here is the erase all data. Okay, and I just click on the back option. When I click on the back, here you can see backup to Google Drive. So if you want to backup, here just click on backup to Google Drive. After that, from here just turn on this backup and click on backup now, and you can select the account also on which you want to backup your photos, videos, in which Gmail ID. Then from here you can select also, just typing on manage storage and tap on backup now. Okay, just click on backup now before reset. After that it will be reset successfully, and do not forget to turn on this icon and this one. Okay, so friends, that's the way how to reset and backup your mobile phone. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.